Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are diving into the Dangbei MP1 Max, a seriously powerful 4K projector that mixes triple laser and LED technology to deliver big brightness, rich color, and a really cinematic viewing experience. I've been testing it for a while now, and in this video I want to walk you through everything: unboxing, design, how the picture actually looks, the sound, setup, and how the performance in real-world use. We'll go through what works, what doesn't, and whether this is the right projector for you. Let's get into it. Unboxing the MP1 Max feels premium from the start. The projector is packed securely in thick molded foam, and beside are the accessories, a power cable, an adapter, a Bluetooth remote, which even comes with 2 AAA batteries, and some paperwork. The remote is clean and minimal, with the dedicated buttons for focus, keystone, and quick access to streaming apps. It supports Google Assistant too, so voice control is built in. Design-wise, the MP1 Max looks modern and sleek. The chassis has a matte finish with smooth, curved edges that make it look clean on a shelf or desk. One of my favorite parts is the built-in gimbal-style stand. You can rotate it for 360 degrees horizontally and tilt up to around 135 degrees vertically. That flexibility makes positioning incredibly easy. You can aim it at the wall, a ceiling, or any angle without needing extra mounts or accessories. On the back, you get 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, a USB port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Build quality is excellent. It feels like a well-engineered, high-quality machine. The finish, the materials, the way everything is put together. You can tell this is your typical budget projector. It gives off that serious piece of gear vibe the moment you pick it up. Now the thing that really matters, the image quality. Here are the key specs that will pop up on screen so you can check them out. Now, how does it actually look? The image is incredibly sharp. Text, UI elements, and small details look clean and crisp even when you are sitting closer than ideal. Colors are rich but still natural. Bright scenes pop, skin tones look lifelike. It just looks vibrant without drifting into oversaturation. Dark scenes also hold up well, with good shadow separation and depth. And here's something important: because the MP1 Max uses hybrid laser plus LED light source instead of a pure triple laser system, speckle is dramatically reduced. It's almost invisible. That makes a big difference for people who wear glasses or are sensitive to visual noise. It gives the MP1 Max a noticeably cleaner, smoother image that's more comfortable to watch for long periods. Brightness is strong enough to stay fully watchable with the lights on, but the picture really shines once you dim the environment even a little. That's when you start seeing those deeper blacks and stronger contrast. Motion is also very smooth thanks to MEMC. Right here, I've turned off, and now I've set to high so you can see the difference. Pretty well, right? As for the light source, this hybrid triple laser plus LED setup is rated for up to 30,000 hours. So you're basically set for years before you even think about replacing anything. And in standard mode, the projector runs surprisingly quiet, definitely quiet enough for movie nights. So overall, the MP1 Max delivers a sharp, vivid, and clean image that genuinely feels premium. The MP1 Max actually has surprisingly good built-in audio. I use dual 12-watt speakers in large acoustic chamber and supports Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X. For movies, YouTube, and everyday use, it sounds full and clear, good enough that you don't feel like you need external speakers. Dialogue is crisp, the bass has some weight, and overall it's better than most projectors in this size. Of course, if you are building a full home theater setup, adding soundbar or external speakers through HDMI ARC will level things up. But straight out of the box, it's definitely usable. Here I'm playing some short audio samples. Have a listen yourself. Setup is one of the strongest parts of the MP1 Max. The projector has an AI system that handles autofocus, auto keystone, intelligent screen feed, and even obstacle avoidance. I point it roughly at my wall, turn it on, and in just a couple of seconds, it calibrates itself. And if you ever want to adjust the focus manually, you can. But honestly, the autofocus is already good enough. Thanks to the 1.2 to 1:3 ratio and up to 300 inches of screen size, it fits a wide range of rooms, small apartments, living rooms, or for dedicated theaters. Just remember, there's no optical zoom, so your placement distance matters. Gaming feels good too. MEMC helps reduce jitter, and Google TV lets you stream directly or plug in a console easily. For casual or cinematic gaming, it's more than capable. After spending real time with the Dangbei MP1 Max, I can say it's genuinely one of the strongest 4K home projectors you can get right now. The image quality is the highlight, sharp, vibrant, clean, and just incredibly enjoyable to watch. The hybrid triple laser plus LED light engine gives you the best of both worlds: brightness, accuracy, and consistency. The setup experience is also top tier. You turn on, it fixes the image, focuses itself, and handles most of the adjustments on its own. Combined with the flexible built-in stand, it's one of the easiest premium projectors to place and use. Of course, like all projectors, it performs best when you dim the lights, and since the zoom is digital only, placement needs a little bit more thought. But those are minor trade-offs given how strong the overall package is. If you want a clean, bright, and premium looking projector that delivers a true big screen experience for movies, shows, sports, and gaming, then MP1 Max is absolutely worth considering. And right now, because it's shopping season, it's its best price of the year. Definitely check it out. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.